What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Schwack Bassin'. I'm here with my boy Brent today, and the reason I am big chilling behind the tailgate of the truck is because the wind is blowing at about 5 million kajillion miles per hour, and we don't really have any objective today for this video or just anything. We're just out to fish, and we've gotten lucky sometimes here, and hopefully we can get on some today. Do you think we can get on some?
Yes, I think we can.
All right, let's do it. I'll see you there. All right, I'm gonna try and keep my back to the wind as much as possible, but y'all seen me fish this place before, not necessarily this pond, but this property has 2 ponds on it. I think it was like my 3rd or 4th video or whatever, but they do have good fish in it. It's just like, yeah, you see the problem right there. Mossy as can be, and I don't know, I've caught good fish in here before, and just as many times I've caught good fish, I haven't caught jack, so I don't know, we'll see how it goes. I don't know, I might have to look at the footage before I'm done and see if I gotta yell for y'all to hear me, you know? I don't know if chatterbait might not be the move right now. Oh. I got a fish. As soon as it hit the water. Ooh, I need to tighten my drag. Little dude. Oh, I scared something off from right there. I will take care of that in a minute. What's up, little guy? Ooh. Whoa. Hey. Whoa. Chill out. Chill out now, buddy. Looky there. Look at that little dude. I have to go. I'm gonna have to give him a bit of a toss. Get over this. See, buddy? God dang it. Wow, I saw him wake on that. Hey, come here, buddy. Little wacky rig. That was pretty dope. Saw him wake on it. Look at that little guy right there. Pretty fish. At least I'm over here because I know there is another one. All right, buddy. We'll see you later. Hope you can see that on a video. That was dope. Said I hope you can see that on video. That was dope. Ouch! Oh, ants! Ouch! Oh no! Why do I always get bit by ants? I always get in ants every time. Ow! Ow! God, they're... Always, dude. Crap. I don't even know where they came from. I don't see an ant pile or nothing. I really just got bit again right here. Alright, we out here at spot number 2, you know what I'm saying? Shoot, buddy. Some bug just scared me. So normally, this pond, as you can see, it's up past this tree. So it's down a lot. Man, that's a solid few foot. Like all that's normally covered in water. That tree's normally covered in water. Hopefully that makes it easier to catch some fish though. Oh, my drag slipped again. Let's rock with that. Seeing a bunch of little fish busting over here. Oh wow. Oh man. That's bad. I really need to get me a spinning setup. Woo! Wacky rig's going to work. Why does it sound like that? Ooh. Got that deep. Hold on, buddy. Not a bad one. Another little guy. I have a feeling that's all I'm gonna be able to snag today. Oh, I'll see ya. Whew. Sweet, that's fish number 3. We've been here maybe 30 minutes. It's not bad. This pond's either juice or it's not. Seriously, I really need to get a spinning setup. Mountain man out here. You know what I'm saying? Smoke. Oh, spider web. Oh man. Excuse me, partners. Let me mosey on down through here now. Oh. Uh-oh, Brent. Snakey wakey. No, that was a good sized snake. No, that was a good sized snake.
It's like 5 hours of sleep.
So guys, as you can see, we're not at the pond anymore. Your boy is tired, and he's hungry, and he's hungry, and we're hungry. So we decided to dip out of there. I gotta be up in 5 hours or some bull crap like that. And so we decided just to make it a short video. I just want to get some content out to y'all. And I want to thank y'all for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you like the video. And Brent, do you want to say anything?
Nope. I caught a fish.
He caught a fish. All right. I'll see you.